Hello guys, this is a short video about unboxing a Ulanzi multifunction tripod, model number MT-34. So this is the box. In general, if you like tripods or whatever camera accessory you use, Ulanzi is a great company which makes great products for the price. So myself, I like them a lot. So this is the tripod itself. It's plastic. This is aluminum, the extension aluminum. So the nice things about this, it's the ball over here turns 360, and it's a sturdy position. Not like any competitors that usually it's a cheap bulb over here which breaks or it doesn't hold in place right. And the stopping mechanism is very sturdy. So to open it, you just have to unlock it, you pull it. Yep. And you can use it for the phone, or there's a cap over here. You have a 1/4 inch base which you can screw anything on it. Camera, DSLR, GoPro, whatever you want to put, you can put it on top. And for your phone, just unfolds like this. You have a spring, so it attaches your phone over here. And on top, and you have a 1/4 inch, a cold shoe for your camera accessories. You can put a light or a microphone or whatever you want. So just unfold like that, and that's it. Put back this if you don't want to damage your accessory or whatever you want to put your phone over here. So this is it. Very simple. It's the only thing, it's plastic and it might break if you don't use it with caution. But the end over here, this is rubber, so where it sits on the floor or on your, it is very tight if it's at this length. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.